start na. Okay? Move forward po sa ating Jolly Girls. Before we start the party, let me remind you of the health and safety protocols that we need to observe. First, always wear face mask. Pasuot po ang ating mga face mask. Okay, the only time we can remove it is during the hospital time or during eating time. Second, please observe physical distancing. Avoid having place one to another unless you will participate in our games. Alcohol or hand sanitizer are available in our party venue, which you can use anytime. Okay, sa lahat po ng ating guests, bago po tayo mag-start, may tanong po sa iyo si Ate Sofia. Kilala mo po ang ating birthday? Celebrate ngayong araw? Okay, kilala mo po ang ating birthday? Celebrate ngayong araw? Okay, ano po ang ating birthday girl? Okay, nabati niyo na po ba si Baby? Okay, welcome natin ang ating birthday girl. Let us welcome our birthday girl, Bigla, together with Mommy and Daddy, and let's sing the Jolly Birthday! 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 Jolly Town Dance. Dito po sa side na to, sino po sa atin got it. Kano po sasabihin natin si Pia na letter yung gagawin? Uulitin po natin. Okay? Okay, Jolly Kids, Mommy, Daddy, Ate at Kuya, Jolly Kids, sabay po tayo. First letter. First letter J. Wala po sumagot. Masa po yung guess natin? Ate at Kuya, Mommy and Daddy, Jolly Kids, sabay tayo. Uulitin mo. First letter J. Wala pa rin po sumagot. Ito na po ba tayo? Ito na po ba? First letter J. Wala po kayo G and J mamaya. Sige. Okay, first letter J. Mami, ate, nasa po yung guess natin? Nasa po yung mga guess natin sa likod? Okay,